It's possible to have a system of linear equations that has an infinite number of solutions. Perhaps you have graphed a system of linear equations to determine a solution and found that the lines coincide. In other words, are the graph of the same line so that the system has an infinite number of solutions. Let's take a look using the substitution method to solve this system so we can see how an infinite number of solutions pans out. Here we have our two equations. Since the second equation has y by itself, we will substitute y with the equivalent value given here in the first equation. Replacing y then with 3x plus 2 transforms the first equation, which now has only one variable in it. Solving this equation, we'll first simplify by eliminating the parentheses using distributive property, which results in 6x plus 4. And if you notice, we have the same quantity on both sides. We could take this further and subtract 6x from each side, leaving 4 equals 4, and subtract 4 from each side for that matter, giving us a 0 equals 0. In all cases, these are true equations. This is an identity and leads us to the conclusion that any value of x will make this equation true. Our conclusion then for the solution to this system is that there are an infinite number of solutions. Equation that's always true indicates there is an infinite number of solutions, and graphically these equations represent the same line that coincides graphically.